This is the Artist 16 a brand new tablet from xppen. Finally, a budget-friendly tablet. It is thin, lightweight and elegant. It has a very interesting price to performance ratio, and I have tested it for 30 days, and let me tell you that I was pleasantly surprised by everything it packs for its price. This tablet was sent to me by xppen as an early preview so that I could test it. By the way, I would like to remind you that I have not been paid by xppen. They just sent me this graphics tablet to test, which means my review will be completely honest. Anyway, it is equipped with a 15.4-inch 16:9 screen with a 90% coverage of the sRGB color space and a Delta E color accuracy of less than point. Wait, what am I even talking about? Well, you will find all of that in the spec sheet. It also possesses an anti-glare coating which reduces reflections and decreases fingerprints. It is equipped with 8 programmable side buttons. All you have to do is download the drivers and that is it, as well as the X-dial wheels. But we are going to talk about that later in the video. All of this is for a total weight of 1,350 grams, which is equivalent to about 1.3 kilograms and change. The stylus has pleasantly surprised me as much by its slimness as by its lightness. But what is the most impressive thing is that it is equipped with an X4 chip. And you know what? This stylus features 16,384 levels of pressure sensitivity with a tilt of up to 60 degrees. It does not require any battery to operate. So you can draw without any constraints, without even thinking about it. And that's not all, just take a look at this. It magnetically sticks to the tablet. It has the same functionality as Samsung tablets. I find this placement very clever. It allows you to easily locate the stylus, because we both know very well how this little thing tends to disappear. The drawing tablet comes with a stand. Frankly, that is nice of them. We have gone over all of the components. Now let us move on to the debriefing of my 30 days of testing. Let me tell you, I put this graphics tablet through hell. I have listed the positive points and of course, the negative points. Yeah, nothing's perfect in this world after all. To start with the first positive point, it is lightweight and very easy to get used to. It is quite literally a featherweight. It feels exactly like using a portable tablet. Moving on to the second positive point, the screen is equipped with an anti-glare coating that provides a paper-like feel. After several days of using it, I haven't really noticed any scratches. I haven't even had to change the nib of the stylus. Honestly, I really like the lightness of the stylus. I feel like I am drawing with a pencil because it is so light. Third, the 8 shortcut keys are a real change from having to use the keyboard all the time. And that's not all, they also added the X-dial wheels I mentioned at the start of the video. Honestly, it really changes the game. I can zoom in and out very easily. But there's just one little problem, and this is where we start getting into the negative points. The first negative point is the X-dial wheels. Honestly, it is actually good, but how can I explain this? When you zoom in and when you zoom out, I have noticed that it is too aggressive. Like, it only takes a small movement and bam, the drawing zooms in or out by 10%. The problem is that the dials are not progressive, but in reality, it is not a big problem. But personally, I did not really like the sensation, so I did not use it anymore during the test. Yes, during these 30 days of intensive testing, I did not use the dials because it was annoying me. And that's the only downside I found. It's fine. I'd give it a 9.5 out of 10. But other than that, everything was perfect. Both for the drawing feel, the stylus pressure, the different shortcuts, even though I didn't use them, because personally, I don't really use shortcuts except for Ctrl-Z and everything that goes with it. With its 15.4-inch screen, it is perfect for those who are looking to start drawing without breaking the bank. Currently, it is priced at 300 euros, I believe. But with my promo code MANGA16, you will get 10% off. So for all of those who want to get one, I will leave the links in the description and the promo code in the description. So, see you later.